Main feature voltage, 3.6 V, capacity, 1800 mAh, rechargeable and no memory effect. Environmental protection, rechargeable and no memory effect. Save money and protect the environment by using the rechargeable battery. User tips: battery need to be charged before first use. Fits right in the battery slot, and you cover it with the PSP battery cover. Recharges your PSP battery quickly. Best replacement for original PSP travel charger. Perfect Kids Gadgets Bundle Package included 1 PCS replacement PSP-110 battery, 5V2A wall charger. As gift with package, 1 PSP clear screen protector, PSP data and power USB cable, PSP silicone protector case. Compatible model: Sony PSP-1000 series, PSP-1000, PSP-1001, PSP-1002, PSP-1003, PSP-1004, PSP-1005, PSP-1006, PSP-1007, PSP-1008, PSP-1009, PSP-1010, PSP-1000K, PSP-1000G1, PSP-1000G1CW, PSP-1000KCW. TFSeven Products is a registered trademark by it. Risk-free, comes with 24 months quality warranty and 30 days money back. We will do everything we can to ensure you are completely satisfied with your purchase. Refunds, exchanges and all.